continue our in-depth review process. This model is one of the best rated products in the market today. First, let's see the specs of the product.
The toughest outdoor cleaning projects require the most powerful electric pressure washer we make, the Stanley SHP2150. Class-leading 2,150 PSI for the power to clean almost anything. That's 43 times the power of a standard garden hose while using 80% less water. Clean surfaces like house siding with mildew, mold, and moss. Power clean decks and fences to look new again with 2150 PSI of power. Choose the SHP2150 because it represents the quality you see from Stanley. Refresh cement, stone, and asphalt surfaces. Spray down all of your patio areas, including your patio furniture, to make everything look new again. Save money cleaning your vehicles by pressure washing them clean. Stanley electric pressure washers are performance in action. Buy yours today.
Why we love this product. And these are rating for this product.